This week, I didn't follow my usual trading schedule, and that actually let me end up with a better trade. I typically place my NVDA trades on Friday, similar to a dollar cost averaging approach. Last week I was sick, and then this week I was busy trying to catch up, so I hadn't entered a new position yet. But when I noticed that NVIDIA had pulled back, I set aside a few minutes today to take advantage of the opportunity. Instead of forcing a trade on schedule, I went ahead and sold a new put at a $175 strike, which is $5 lower than I had been trading. I generated enough premium to buy another share and still had some cash left over. So let's take a look at the overall position. With NVIDIA trading at 178.35, I'm kind of glad that I waited to set up my NVIDIA trade this week because the share price is now below the strike price that I've been using for the last few weeks. So with NVIDIA down a little more than 1% today and the share price at 178.28, let's look out 8 days to March 27th and find a good strike price to sell a new cash secured put. For a while I've been selling puts at 180, but this week I'm going to look at either 170 or 175. A $170 strike would bring me $139, and the $175 strike would bring me at least $257. So since the share price has pulled back significantly this week, and I do expect that it will recover, I'm going to choose the $175 strike with the higher premiums and use the premium that I receive to add a share to the position. It filled at 261, a $260.34 premium on $17,500 of capital gives me an annualized rate of return of 67.87% for this 8-day trade. And now I'm going to use that premium to add a share to the position. I'll buy one share. And it just filled at 178.07. I now have 167 shares in the account. I sum my total expense and income to date and divide that by 167 to see that I have brought my average investment per share down to $121.89.